LibreOffice-Math spoken tutorial da taramna okchari tutorial sida aikoina tamgani derivatives amasung differential equations, integral equations amadi logarithms formulae kamdawna iba masigidamak ahanbada aikoina mamangi tutorial singda semkraba writer document example math example 1.odt hangdoksi Masida anova page da chatnabagi damak aroiba page da scroll tauraga control enter namsi Haujik derivatives and differential equations isillaga enter key anirak nammo insert menu object adudagi formula ta mathang namduna math hanglasi makha chatringaida font size 18 point ta chawhallasi Alignment sina left ta onthoklo amasung paaba nungainaba khudam singi marakta anauba amadi ahangba line sing hapchillo Haujik derivatives amadi differential equations iba tamlasi formulae natraga equation singsi line inaba math na pambai pi aikhoina makhoi se chumna fraction gumna Lauraga amadi markup over sizinagani khudam oina total derivative ama df by dx inaba formula editor window da igadaba markup si df over dx ni mathangda partial derivative ki damak wahai partial sizinagani aduga markup na del f over del x ni Ekoina markup wahai partial sizinaba matamda curly bracket sizinnagadabani yengu writer utmachugi box ta partial derivative ki symbol del atopa khudam amaga laire Newton's second law of motion maduna acceleration amadi force ka lainaba mari takli F is equal to ma. Masi differential equation ama oina iba yai. F of t is equal to m into d squared x over d t squared. Yengu madudi aikoina operation gi mathang manaw naiba taknaba curly bracket mayam sizinari. Equation D screen da utliba asigumna urani differential equation amagasu laire Newton's law of cooling theta of t na matam t da laiba potsak amagi temperature oiradi aikoina differential equation ama iba yare d of theta over d of t is equal to minus k into theta minus s. Masida s na akoibagi temperature ni writer utmachugi box manungda equation se yengu aikoigi thabak save taurasi file da chatlo save nammo Haujik integral equations iba tamlasi gray box mapanda tapna ahumlak namlaga anauba lamaida chatsi aduga control enter namlo isillo integral equations adudagidi enter anirak namlo Haujik insert object changduna math puthoklasi font size 18 point ta chawhallo Aduga alignment left ta oihallo integral symbol ama inaba aikoina formula editor window da markup int hekta ibatai Piriba function f of a real variable x amadi interval a b of the real line on the x-axis madugi definite integral c integral from a to b f of x dx haina igani integral symbol utnaba aikoina markup int sizinare limits a amadi b taknaba aikoina markup from amadi to sizinare yengo writer gray box manungi formula mathangda aikoina cuboid amagi volume puthoknaba double integral gi khudam ama irasi formula na screen asida utle aikoina ure double integral gi markup c iint ni laikre chapmanana aikoina cuboid amagi volume puthoknaba triple integral sizinaba yai amadi triple integral gi markup na iint ni aikoina integral gi limits sing taknaba subscript markup su sizinaba yai subscript sizinaraga math na character bu yet thangba makhada thammi adudi masigi singsini aikoina math ta integral formulae amadi equations ibagi pambai sing hojik logarithm yauba formulae karamna igani yenglasi inau noba math gray box natraga math object ta makhoi singsi irasi logarithms iraga enter anirak namlo math amukka puthoklasi loinana font to 18 point ta onthoklo makhoi left align tawro logarithm sizinabada achamba formula ama iradi log 1000 to the base 10 is equal to 3 ni yenglo markup masida khudam amana log 64 to the base 2 is equal to 6 hojik natural logarithm integral oiba maungda irasi natural logarithm of t is equal to the integral of 1 by x dx from 1 to t markup na screen da uriba asini aikoigi khudam sing asi save tawrasi masida nangi thabak ama leire piriba derivative formula asi iro d squared y by dx squared is equal to d by dx of bracket manungda dy by dx chauthokpa yaba bracket sing sizinnaw piriba integral asi iro integral with limits 0 to 1 of bracket manungda square root of x dx mathangda makhagi sigumna double integral ama iro double integral from t of bracket manungda 2 sin x minus 3y cubed plus 5 dx dy amasung formula log x to the power of p to the base b is equal to p into log x to the base b asi sizinaraga log 1024 to the base 2 puthoku nangi formula sing format taw matang sida LibreOffice-Math ta differential amadi integral equations loinana logarithms ibagi tutorial loire samlapna pallabada aikoina iba tamkhre derivatives and differential equations integral equations amadi logarithm gi formulae Spoken tutorial asi Talk to a Teacher project ki saruk amani masi National Mission on Education na ICT MHRD India Government gi kuthangda saugatli project asi spokentutorial.org na silangi ahenba warol piriba link asida fangbigani tutorial sibu lon handoktuna ngangjariba ai Manipur dagi oken khoirakpamni thupchilakpada saruk yabibagi thagatjari